Welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. And check out my forum at computersluggish.com. In today's video, I will be showing you how to rotate your display in Windows 10. To start off with, first we need to right click on our desktop and you now need to click on Display Settings. You will then end up with a window that looks like this. You now need to find display orientation, and as you can see, mine is currently set to landscape. If you now click on the drop down menu, you will have 4 different options. We can change it to portrait, landscape flipped, or portrait flipped. I'm going to go ahead and select portrait. And there we go. As you can see, my display has now changed. You can go ahead and click on keep changes if you want to keep them, or you can click on revert to change the display back. I'm just going to click on revert, and there we go. It really is that simple to change the rotation of your display. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social media channels and forum.